Ever stared at the night sky and thought, what's really out there? Stars? Planets? A giant black hole ready to eat us? Don't worry, I got you. I'm Bashal, and this is Wizzle Dwizzle, where science meets storytelling. In a few minutes, we're gonna discover the entire freaking universe. The universe is big, like really big. It's 93 billion light years wide, and it's expanding every second. It's filled with over 2 trillion galaxies, each with billions of stars. And guess what? All of this started from a single point, the Big Bang, 13.8 billion years ago. From that one explosion of energy, everything, stars, atoms, puppies, even you, came into being. Stars are like the celebrities of the universe. They're born in giant dust clouds called nebulae. They shine for millions to billions of years by fusing hydrogen into helium. And when they die, they go out with a bang, supernova. Some even collapse into, wait for it, black holes. In our own backyard, the solar system, we've got 8 planets, sorry, Pluto. Earth is the only one with pizza and Wi-Fi so far, but NASA's finding thousands of exoplanets, worlds orbiting other stars. Some might even be habitable. Our sun is just an average yellow dwarf star, but it's everything to us. It powers life, weather, and all those sunsets we love posting on Instagram. One day, about 5 billion years from now, it'll swell into a red giant and then shrink into a white dwarf. But don't worry, you've got time to finish your degree. Every second, the sun releases more energy than 1 trillion nuclear bombs. Black holes, the ultimate cosmic mystery. They're regions where gravity is so strong, not even light can escape. The center, called a singularity, where physics breaks down. Some black holes spin, some merge, and some are lurking silently in galaxies. Like the supermassive one at the center of our Milky Way, Sagittarius A*. We captured the first image of a black hole in 2019. It's 6.5 billion times the mass of our sun and 55 million light-years away. Thanks to telescopes like Hubble and James Webb, we're seeing galaxies born, planets forming, and light that traveled billions of years to reach us. We're even listening to space through gravitational waves, ripples in space-time. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. So, are we alone? The truth is out there. From atoms to galaxies, we're part of something unbelievably grand. And the more we learn, the more we realize. We've barely scratched the surface. So stay curious, stay starry-eyed, and subscribe to Wizzle Dwizzle for more adventures across time, space, and everything in between.